let me show you how you can charge Samsung S25 by using another phone. So we've got actually two methods, wireless and of course wired by using cable. So first of all, for sure your second phone must support wireless charging, like in my case, and you have to also enable some kind of the battery sharing or reverse charging. It depends of the phone model. But when you actually activate this on your phone, then you can put on the back your Samsung. Okay, it's not working, so I will have to actually go into some settings on my phone, and I have to be sure that I turn on battery share. There we go. Now let's try again, and as you can see, it starts charging. We got wireless charging. So this is the first method, and the second one, we can simply connect cable into our phone and then into our Galaxy, and as you can see right now, it's not working. So sometimes we have to actually lock the screen of the phone and repeat and then connect. And as you can see right now, I'm start charging my Samsung S25 by using my Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.